Alright, what we have here is a TI-36X Pro that will not turn on. So I assume it's the battery. This is just a little quick video without any filming stands or anything, so it might be a little choppy. But what we're going to do is flip it over. And I've already taken out most of the screws, but the screwdriver, or the bit that it is, let's see if I can get this flipped around. PH1 for the 6 back screws. So let me go ahead and finish taking that out. Alright, I've got the last screw out, and what we're going to do is we're going to use a prying tool starting at these little indents. This prying tool here, which is just a cheaper version. Works good though. I won't be able to hold the phone while doing this. Happen to be out of town and this damage happened. So you slide it in, and you keep sliding it down as you snap it off. That's pretty much all there is to it. Alright, so next we have the inside of the calculator. And there is the battery. And there's 2 screws that are holding it open. And that bit is going to be the PZ100 or P200? PZ00. Alright, and we'll just take those 2 screws out, and then we can get to replacing the battery. Let's see if I can do this while recording. It helps if you magnetize your bit to be able to get this out. Alright, let's go for number 2. Alright, quit moving on me. I don't have enough hands here. Alright, number 2. And then what we'll do is we'll move this to the side. And this one takes a CR2032. Now let's just pop this out. Alright, so there it is. We got the battery out. And again, it is a CR2032. I don't have the multimeter or multimeter to check to see if it's bad, but I have a feeling that's what it is. And here's the batteries I'm going to replace it with. This is an Energizer. I'm going to get one of these batteries out of here, and then we'll put it back in the system and see if it works before we shut it up. So let's put this back in here, like so. Let's just go ahead and flip it over because that ain't going nowhere. And let's see if it turns on. Pressing on now. It does not. Wow. Oh, wait a minute. You have to have that screwed back in. So let me get this part screwed in here. Alright, so now that we have that bracket back on with the 2 screws, which creates the positive negative current. Positive on the bottom side, negative on the top, I believe. Oh, we're already on. Look at that. Memory cleared. Alright. Let's clear it. Off. On. Boom. What about that? Simple fix. Don't have to throw it away. I'm going to close this up and it should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the next video, and make sure you like and subscribe.